Are your faux wood shutters dusty or dirty? Faux wood shutters are made of PVC, so they're some of the easiest window coverings to clean. Let's get started. Here's what you need: warm water, a microfiber cloth, vinegar, a mild dish soap, dusting spray, and an easy clean duster. If your shutters are dusty, swipe the louvers clean with an easy clean duster from Blinds.com. They clean both sides of the louvers at once, so you'll have your whole room clean in just a few minutes. To prevent future dust buildup, spray your easy clean duster with dusting spray and wipe down the louvers. If your shutters are sticky or covered with caked on dirt, dip your easy clean duster in warm soapy water and scrub the slats. When you're done, you can throw the microfiber covers of your easy clean duster in the wash. If you need to disinfect your shutters, make a 1-to-1 solution of vinegar and water and wipe them down with your easy clean duster or a microfiber cloth. Have more questions? Call us at 800-505-1905 and speak to a Blinds.com expert about your issue.